Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we are doing something that's long overdue. Finally swapping out these god-awful tumor-looking Larry the Toad-looking taillights. These ugly taillights are gonna get swapped out for these two beautiful stock taillights. And it also should hopefully save my butt cheeks when I turn on my lights and it won't be in limbo anymore. Why do you got so many extensions?
Because we're taking these taillights out.
you don't need that many extensions, dude. Alright, well, if it works, it works. Perfect.
If it fits, it ships.
Sorry,
we're not swearing in this one today.
Yeah, I know you didn't swear.
I'll give it a little bit.
You're a good guy.
Give it 5 minutes.
Wait, what? Is that an 11 or a 10? You're 11, there's only one 11. How is that doing? Well, alright, that works.
I got all, look at this, Nick. Got the extendo clip.
Anyway, yeah, so it's just literally just 3 bolts and then on each side. And yeah,
see, that's not an 11.
What?
That one right there, that's probably a 10.
That's what I was saying.
I don't know where I put the 10.
Oh my god.
No, it's on a ratchet right there. That chode looking one.
Ah.
Sorry guys, if you have a chode and I just made fun of you.
Yeah.
Alright.
Here, take it off. Take it off. Take the chode. Take the chode.
Never had it.
Dude, you don't need that many extensions. Just making the job harder for yourself. Is that even the right side? Come on, man. Well, I had some over here.
I had this ratchet right here.
Here's this 8 mil. This 8.
Mark, that's not gonna work.
Yes, it is. These are 8 mils over here. Look.
And this is an 11?
Yes.
I am so, there's 2 11s, you told me there's 1.
There's 2 11s, 1 10, and 3 8s.
Guys, hire me if you need any work done. Better done. And that's on
Yeah, the only reason why my bolts are all weird is because the guys before me put in some bonk old ones that aren't the right size, so. But it's okay. As long as it holds them in, that's all that matters.
getting rid of these,
350.
rain.
Look what Zach did, boys. Oh, dude, it's wide. Look how wide it is.
Those over fenders are coming off.
Oh, you don't like them?
No.
I like them.
I think.
Are you gonna get new over fenders or no?
I'm just gonna do the Bondo work and paint it.
He didn't cut into the fenders.
No. He was like, he's smart, dude. He was like, if you buy like the tire rubs, it will hit the actual fucking, what's it called?
The blow off valves from a razor.
Really?
Like one of those things, but fucking.
He says he was experimenting and they're like super reliable compared to like cheaper ones. And it has LS2 coil packs. They look like shit because there's no bracket for them because they're LS2 coil packs.
Yeah,
but they're good for
brackets
big
for 'em.
power. Yeah, she's a little messy, but you know, dude, it rips. Bailey's calling me.
Oh, the intercooler.
Nope.
That's a couple
Nope.
Look from here.
No, I did not.
Oh, that is so nice.
Why, what's up?
So obviously, boys, she needs some work, but this is another
What time?
project car for the channel, pretty much. I mean, not for the channel, it's his, but it's going to be on the channel.
Oh, yeah, I gotta get a new bag.
Go work on this climber.
What time?
He needs a couple little parts.
Never mind.
Roll cage. Half
No,
roll
let
cage.
me know what time, dude. I'll work something out.
This thing is awesome. Zach gave me the right of way to sit in the Miata. They're over there slaving. I'm just talking about the Miata. They're over there slaving away while I'm going to sit in Zach's Miata. But guys, one thing I want to say about these Miatas, this like door handle is so tiny. Like damn.
Yeah, save it for the video, Mark.
I'm saving it for the video. Alright. Ooh. Oh my god, dude, I can't even. Oh, I want one so bad now. Oh my god. Oh wow, the clutch is nice, actually. The clutch is really nice. Look at this. Look at the shift knob, dude. It's so tiny, guys. Dude, I can barely fit in this thing, guys. I'm gonna close the door. Look at the boost gauge in the vents. Oh my god, this thing is so small. I want one now, honestly. This made me want one even more than before. Alright, boys. Look at Zach and his new Miata ripping it already. Hold up. How are you, sir?
I'm not good at it.
You like your new Miata? Let's see it, baby.
Mercedes gets down. Yeah,
Dude, this thing is hilarious. Dude, this thing, it's literally, we drove over that bridge on Stillwater. It hit the engine and bounced up. I had no steering. It's fucked up. I don't want to, we gotta raise this shit. Boys, this is Zach's introduction with his Miata. I love this thing, dude. Alright, boys. There's no seatbelt?
Nope.
That close? Be careful then if there's no seatbelt.
I don't think you can do a second and third one. There used to be harnesses, but he took them out because he took the race seats. So he paid less than what he wanted.
It's just terrifying, honestly, dude. Dude, that we gotta raise it. Dude, that scared the shit out of me.
Every time I miss third because it's so close to fifth.
That, dude, I'm gonna be honest, that scared the f out of me.
Dude, it gets down.
Yeah, you're telling me. Dude, guys, this thing is scary. Wow. Alright, well, I'll film him doing some donuts too. Are you gonna do more donuts?
Yeah, but I'm gonna let this thing cool down.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take Ben for a rip. No way I can.
Yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna film him do some donuts when he does, but this thing's nuts.
Dude, it gets squirrely in third gear.
I know, that's scary. I'm the big dope.
Don't do that.
Don't do that. Aye. Anyway, so we got the taillights off, and then in order to get these connections off, you just twist them to the left and pull out. It's that simple. And then take out the old LEDs. Look how burnt it is in there, but there's nothing I can do about that. I'm gonna take out the old LED on that, and same with the other side. And then you need 4 new bulbs. These 2 big ones are gonna go in the big sockets. Those 2 small ones are gonna go in the small sockets. Duh.
This is why you don't let
Certain people, like, can't say it. Certain people put taillights in cars or anything.
There's a special word for them. Get an uncut.
Not
channel.
smart people is what he's looking for. Right?
Should get an uncut channel. That would be fire.
Uncut.
You would make no money.
Uncensored channel. Alright, so anyway, after that we gotta get these back in. The problem is, I don't know if these sensors are good enough since they're so burnt.
Wait, let's test it. We'll plug
Wait.
it in.
Oh, okay. Alright, yeah, so we're gonna plug them in,
I don't even know where to grab on these things.
and then we'll just press the taillights. It's that simple.
I got a rag on, so I'm grabbing the top of the bulb.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, make sure you don't put your hands on it when you're putting in a bulb, because then it'll get all oily and it'll cause hot spots. Hot spots. Oh, I just pressed it anyway.
Here, Zach. Oh, we gotta put the other one in.
Yeah, it's a small one. So anyway, we're just gonna do a little test run now. We'll put those in, and I'll show you guys a test run.
There you go.
Alright, what about this?
Yep. Yep.
Perfect. Wait, no, which ones are the ones when they're running? Oh, all of them? Wait, what? They're all running lights. So which ones light up when I press the brake?
These right here. Press it.
Which ones?
The big ones.
Oh, this one. Okay.
The fat boys. Here. Talk to Zach.
Hey.
Let's get these bad boys.
I'm hoping that this fixes the problem.
Yay! Alright, yeah, we just gotta connect them back in. That's super simple though. And then we gotta do a whole different thing, which is relearning the ECU and relearning the throttle body. And I don't want to do that, but we have to, so yay. What? Jesus. Alright, boys, the first one's in. Zach's working on the second one right now. This looks 10 times better. Like, oh, that is amazing. That is amazing.
Buy these.
So clean. Alright, boys, look at the finished product, man. It's done. That looks literally 10 times better, and it'll probably make it run better too, so that's what I like to hear. Also, since the coilovers are in, it's nice and low. I could go lower, but I love this car. I don't want to scrape on everything, and so I'm not gonna go any lower. But maybe after a little while, after I get used to it, I'll go a little lower. Who knows? But for right now, what'd you say?
Called you a ricer.
I'm a ricer. You're a ricer. You're a box of rice, Chris.
Mark's a liberal.
You're a box of rice. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Das Vidania. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Turn on post notifications.
And Das Vidania, and have a good night.